G'day everybody and welcome back to Bodacious Baz. Today we've got a tip using two 10mm drill bits. But first I'd like to thank everyone that's subscribed so far, and if you could all do me a favour and leave some comments and some thumbs up, it'd really help. I'd like to know from you how I can help you and how you can help me. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So normally you'd adjust the saw blade height using one of these particular items to get the exact depth of the blade that you require, or you might buy some very expensive setup blocks from someone like Woodpeckers. But in everyone's arsenal we all have drill bits and they're all precision engineered. So this hack revolves around putting one up against the fence, one here, get yourself a straight edge, drop it on top of the two shafts and just adjust your blade up until it kisses the straight edge. Can be used on router tables, anything you can think of. Great little hack, cheap, does the job well. Well, I hope that tip helped. And in the meantime, if you can hit that subscribe button, it'd mean a lot to me, and we'll see you on the next one. Check ya.